So here we are picking up where I left off on the bicycle ride. Pretty much at the bottom of the Oxbow Road hill now. I'm going to new footage actually, because I don't think I do video down here very often. This is a really nifty park. If you ever get the opportunity to stop up, please do. You know, as you see from my videos and my oh, that's a bad step there. My videos, my YouTube, things I post on Facebook, you know, pretty active in the outdoors. Love coming to the Oxbow Park. This place is a lot of fun. We're back on the bike, still with the head mount though. Hills are too much for me today. Way too much for me today. Looks like some of the bridge fell in. The rest of it seems to be safe enough. That's a lower fall. I don't make it here very often. But with so much water, I thought today it was worth the trip. So I'm going to rest one more time before I put the head cam on and head out of the Oxbow Frisbee Golf Park. I'll talk to you then.